So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm on a PC and my name is Megaminx Gaming. Today I'm going to be playing a game called Zooms Royale. It's basically a 2D battle royale game. The website for PC, you can go on zoomsroyale.io on Google Chrome or any browser actually. Then you can log in with your Google account. I have done that. See, I have a Google account. Then you can even play it without an account, like a guest account. You can just set your nickname. This is my nickname here. So not just that, so it's also available on mobile for both iOS and Android. You can download it on the App Store or Google Play Store. So today I am going to be playing Zooms Royale. I think I already said that. So there is game mode of solo, duo, and squad, and this is a special game mode for 13, and it will end in 13 hours. This is weapons race. Seems interesting. Also, before I do anything else, these are the settings. Effects volume are full for me. These are all of the settings. So for me, W is move up, S is move down, A is move left, D is move right. You can change these to anything. Like see, I click this, I click K. See, this is K, but I'll keep it as D. Then E is for interact. Again, you can change all of these. R is for reload, M is to toggle the minimap, tab is to hold the map. Okay. T is to spray and right mouse button is to emote. So you can select anything. Obviously I can't use left click for anything because the left click is the shoot. So yes, this is the settings. So these are all of these. This is the shop. This is the profile area. Up there is the um, the profile where you can your name and all. And these are cosmetics. Then here is your friends, and I can also show you how to add friends here. So basically you press friends, then you should add their full name. It is case sensitive, and then the tag as well. So if you want to add me as a friend, go to the friends tab, press the plus button next to friends and type this Megaminx Gaming #8906. If you just want to copy and paste it, then you can copy it from the description box. So you can go there down below, and these are the leaderboards. It's fetching the data. I am number 1340. Ooh. So battle, I can choose between solo, duo, squad, or weapon, or the special challenge. And also I forgot to see today's daily challenges. Yes, there are daily challenges. I have to outlive 200 opponents, play 3 squad rounds, and get 4 sniper kills. Okay, interesting. And this is the siege. I don't actually know what this is, but this is where you can claim rewards and all of that. So I'm going to be doing the play 3 squad rounds challenge now. You can just click on the solo, duo, squad, and here you can also click on weapon, the special challenge. So you can, when you click ready, you jump in the game, and you can even invite your friends in squad and duo. Now it's loading. See the mouse. It's see. Now I'm going to move. Oh, my entire squad is here. Yes, my entire squad. This is my squad now. So tab is to hold map. Oh, okay. Okay, that's nice. Okay, it's going there. I think I will get down right. Oh wait, I wasn't supposed to get her, but okay. I don't know where to go. I'll go next to this. E to interact. Ooh, a pump shotgun. Okay, already a weapon. Oh wait, my teammate is reviving. Where is my teammate? That's my blue teammate. I need to search for orange. Orange, where are you? Orange teammate! Orange teammate! Oh my. Oh. Wait, I need revive. Help! Help! I need help. Someone help, please. Also, your teammates, yeah, they can't hear you. There's no voice chat feature in this. It would be nice if there was. Okay, so I'm basically helpless now. Why does it show countdown there? I got eliminated. I placed number 16. Okay. I'm spectating my teammates right now. This is my teammate, Astro FX. I think he's the only one alive. Yes. So this is game over for our squad. I don't know who this is. So continue. I play 16th out of 52 teams. So these are the paths. I have to get to tiers to unlock the. So I'm gonna go to back. I am not lucky in this game, but I want to try solo once. Joining. Also, this is actually pretty fast if you have a good internet connection, which everyone should have at this point. I'm pretty sure. I think I'll change the tab to shift. Hold on, let me just do that. So settings, yeah, boom. Now I'll go back to another game. Ready. Starting in a few seconds. And I'm going to break this tree while I'm waiting. Yeah, okay, I'm clicking. What is T? Okay, I don't know what this is. T to spray, I don't know what that is. Where are we headed to? I would go to space base. Free falling to. Oh, sniper! That's nice. I need large ammo. Okay, a potion, not bad. Ammo. Small ammo. I need large ammo, please. A loot box. Also, there are weight. Oh, this is actually a pretty nice weapon. This is pretty powerful, but I think I'll stick to the sniper for now. Ammo box. Medium ammo. I need large ammo. I already have that gun, so I don't need. Shotgun. Okay, I'll take shotgun. Shotgun now it's very powerful, to say at the least. I'll throw this and then big shield. Oh wait, yeah, okay. Oh no. I died already. That's what I don't like. Oh, a challenge completed. Outlive 200 opponents. Okay, play again. So you can already see that this is hard, at least hard for me. So basically this is essentially like 2D, like you guys know Free Fire, right? Battle Royale game as well, Fortnite and PUBG and all. It's basically the 2D version of that. I am here. I do actually want to go to this farm. Ooh, wait. Easy. I got 2 shields. Now what? Oh my, this is a great city. Wait, what? I have an RPG. I literally have a rocket launcher. Okay, easy. I literally have a rocket launcher. Wait, another guy has a rocket launcher there. I'm going to be running now. Ooh. Nice place to test my RPG. And what is that? Cactus bomb. Ooh, not bad. Okay, I need this. Bye. Oh, she died. Okay. I got. Oh wait, I'm low. I'm low. I'm low. She got speed. Got speed. Fast, fast. Okay, this is useless. I need to heal health. I'm literally. Oh no 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 no. Okay, he had so much good stuff. Okay, I'll get Scar, no. MP5. Okay, that's a lot of good stuff. The one thing I do want to get is a way to. Okay, I guess I can switch this for a Nuzi. Now the one thing I do want, which I don't have, is a way to heal up. Oh no 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 no. Okay, the shield is there. The shield is there. Oh, thank God. Okay, okay, I'm going to be going inside the gas zone, because I'm already nearly dead. I don't need to die anymore. How many people are remaining? I don't know. Oh, a medikit, that's what I needed. 3, 2, got fast. I want full health again. Get my gun again. Yes, I'm on full health. I'm ready to fight again, and I'm inside the zone, so I'm not scared at all. I'm not scared at all. Come at me. Come at me. I'm going to be hiding here. Where are you, sir? Oh, I don't need those guns. I have all the gun. Dual wheel pistol is perfect. I'll go through the door. I'll get the ammo. Oh, looks like someone is. Freeze grenade. I have 100% shield, so I can. Ammo, please. If there is no RPG ammo, I don't know where it is. So. Oh, a snipe. Oh, okay. Okay, sir, you can. You are going to be. Okay, I have a shield. A shield is basically extra health. I'm going to be camping him. Okay. That's how you wanted to go? I placed number 6! Oh my god! GG! Was the first time. Oh nice, I've been awarded. Yay! 50 coins. Okay, so I guess that's where I'll leave it. So thank you for watching this video. Goodbye. I'll see you later.